Hi everyone, I am Kunal and in this video I would be guiding you to apply for free WhatsApp Business API with Message Central. Let's first start with requirement of WhatsApp Business API. You will need a Facebook Business Manager account where you have an admin access. Secondly, you will need a fresh number which is inactive on WhatsApp or WhatsApp Business app. Or you can use your existing WhatsApp number but you would have to delete your account first. Once you have all this ready, here's the process to apply for WhatsApp Business API. First, you would need to sign up on Message Central by going to messagecentral.com and then clicking sign up from top. If you have already signed up, you can directly log in to your Message Central account. You need to fill your name, email and password to create an account. Once logged in, click on try for free on WhatsApp Now to activate your free WhatsApp Now plan. Now, let's fill the WhatsApp API procurement application in Message Central's dashboard. Click on Login to Facebook to start the application process for WhatsApp Business API. This will open up a pop-up dialog to your Facebook account and you would need to continue with this. On screen, read all the permissions shared and click on Get Started to connect with your Facebook account with Message Central. Once you have done this, you would have to choose correct Facebook Business Manager on which you want to get WhatsApp Business. Or if you don't have a Facebook Business Manager account, you will have to create a Facebook Business Manager by entering your business details. If you need help by creating a Facebook Business Manager, you can check the user guide links listed in a resource section in WhatsApp Now dashboard. Now, fill up your business details including your WhatsApp Business account name. Please note that this name is not the display name you need for WhatsApp Business API, which will be visible to your end customer. This name can be anything related to your business. Coming to your WhatsApp Business display name, this is the section where you would need to choose the display name for your WhatsApp Business profile, and this will be visible to all your users when they open your WhatsApp profile. For example, if your business name is Domino's, you can use Domino's as your display name. Next, select your category and click on Continue. Next, you will need to add a number on which you want to add your WhatsApp Business API. Remember, this number should not be activated on WhatsApp or WhatsApp Business app. Make sure the number is activated on a handset and available to receive code or voice for verification. After adding your number, press send code, enter the OTP you will receive on your number, and that's it. If you see this screen, your WhatsApp Business application has been submitted to Meta. Click finish and wait for few moments. Now, enter few details in the next section and your account is live. Send your first message to the activated number from your phone number, which you can see in the live chat section over here. To send a broadcast, create customized template from the campaign section and interact with your customers with the power of WhatsApp Business. We hope this video makes it easy for you to apply for WhatsApp Business API. Thanks for watching.